In radiographic interpretation, the very first step is to identify the radiograph. Now, what is identification? That means to identify whether the radiograph is of maxilla or mandible, whether the radiograph is of right side or left side, and whether the radiograph is showing which kind of teeth, whether it is showing incisors, canine, premolars, molars. So in short, the example of identification is like this is an IOPA of 3-7 region. Okay, so we will be learning how to do identification of a radiograph. For that, the first step is to observe the radiograph and mount it correctly. How to do that? First, observe the radiograph and determine, depending on its anatomic landmark and the dental anatomy, that the radiograph belongs to maxilla or mandible. Now here we can see that there is an inferior dental canal, there is inferior border of mandible, and the roots are 2 in number. Hence this is a mandibular radiograph. Now when it is a mandibular radiograph, it has to be mounted in such a way that the crown will be upwards like this and the root will be downward. Had it been a maxillary radiograph, we would have been mounted it in such a way that the crown is downwards and root upwards. The next step is to orient it correctly. Now how to orient it correctly? Feel for the occlusal dot, which is over here. Feel for its convexity and make sure while mounting it, the convexity is towards the observer, towards you, and the concavity should touch the screen. Now this is the correct mounting of radiograph. That is, for mandibular radiograph, the crown upward, the root downwards. The occlusal dot, the convexity of occlusal dot, it is towards the observer and the concavity is touching the screen. Now determine which is the most anterior teeth and which is the most posterior teeth in this radiograph. So here we can see the second premolar, although it is seen partially, is the most anterior teeth, and the third molar, which is again seen partially, is the most posterior teeth. Now the most anterior teeth is on our left side and the most posterior teeth is on our right side. Now let us see the progression of curve of Spee. Now the curve of Spee will progress from anterior to posterior. So that means it will progress from our left side to the right side. Okay, from left side to the right side. As the curve of Spee is progressing from our left side to right side, this radiograph belongs to the left side. That means opposite to the direction of progression of curve of Spee. This is one of the method of identifying a side of a radiograph. There are multiple methods, you can read it, but you should follow any one of the method. Thank you.